Good morning, guys. Me and Dion and Kiki just went down to do some laundry. I wanted to go for a walk. Dion didn't. So I'm just out on a walk and a cigarette. I think I'm gonna call my mom. Just arrange the shipping of my stuff from Portugal. Finally got the money together. So let's do it. It's a beautiful day. I thought winter had truly arrived, but we still got a few autumn days left. It's nice. Me and Dion need to get out of here, man. We've been in and around this apartment for too long. It's just, and honestly, I told Dion yesterday, like, hey dude, I'm kind of ashamed that we're still here, you know? Like, he came all the way from America and we've just been kind of holding up in an apartment, but I did not expect an electric unicycle to just pop out of thin air for like an absolutely insanely cheap price. And I just had to act. And then we kind of had to change our plans around, go for the quick charger rather than the solar panels, both because the solar panel shipment fucked up. You know, they thought that Dion was some kind of a scammer, some kind of fraud or whatever. I'm in the graveyard now. Beautiful place to go for a walk. But yeah, I'm still gonna get solar panels eventually, you know? It's about, you know, this channel is Solarpunk one, right? It's just, initially I'm just gonna have to go for the fast charger. Yeah, I'm gonna try and call my mom now, talk to her in these beautiful surroundings. I gotta give it, whoever made this graveyard or like arranged the layout, the design, they did a damn good job, man. This place is beautiful. Takes a lot of the grief away, makes it more about beauty. You know what? I think I'm gonna go over there on that bench. That's where I want to sit. I just talked to my mom and my oldest little brother. It was nice. It's good that they're together. It's kind of difficult for my mom having to end this chapter of her life. Basically means she's gonna be independent for the first time since I was born 31 years ago. All of her children have moved out of the nest. You know, her youngest finally moved out. And she's gonna be moving out in about a week. In about a week she's going to France to live on her own, I assume. But she's moving to be closer to my youngest little brother and my little sister. And my oldest little brother, he's gonna move to the Balkans. So, and he's also gonna get a new and faster electric scooter. So who knows, maybe me and Dion and whoever else we're traveling with at that point, maybe we meet up with my oldest little brother and he travels with us for a while. That'd be interesting. I definitely need to bond with him a bit more. We've had kind of a rocky relationship over the past few years, I guess. Yeah, I'm going back now. Gotta put the clothes in the washer, or in the dryer rather. Beautiful place. Dion, oh, you just filmed me for a while. Just showing the cigarette rolling process. I check it out. I'm making a ton of cigarettes for the guys here to save money. I already made a little pile there. This is how it goes. I've been rolling these for more than a decade. Probably half my life I've been rolling cigarettes.
Hell of a skill.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, you can save a lot of money, and also there's not as many chemicals in this stuff as there are in the regular industrial cigarettes.
You don't think you can save more money by not smoking?
Oh, of course. And you live longer as well. But hey, I gotta cope somehow, right?
Yeah, people are running out of copes these days.
Yeah.
I've been telling people this shit was gonna get crazy in the world, though, and nobody listened.
Yeah. Just these guys, they smoke the industrial cigarettes, and those have just become prohibitively expensive. So I like to roll cigarettes for them just so they save some money. Boom. There we go. I think that's all for now.
I mean, smoking's just kind of like already a renegade activity to the point where it's like, why would you be a normie buying cigarettes?
Yeah.
Like, you're already doing a renegade activity.
Yeah. Oh well. That's all for now, folks.
Bacon too. Do you want bacon, Jim?
Check out this breakfast. Our friend made this. Let's go. Guys, I need to get my gear soon, because I'm starting to get real damn comfortable with this electric unicycle, man. I find myself going like 40, 50, no gear. I mean, I've seen people go way faster than that online with no gear, but these people are suicidal. No, dude, because this thing has speakers on it as well. It's got speakers here on the rear, so I can like bump my riding music. I can play the new Mobb Deep album, Infinite. Oh my god, Pour the Henny. Best track on that album. Yeah, I just blasted that, and I'm just gonna end up going way too fast when I listen to that type of music. But it was fun, man. I love the adrenaline. Look at this food I reheated from yesterday. Mike's making more. Oh, it's so delicious. It's the middle of the night right now. Dion's sleeping. We're trying to be quiet.